Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenan Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my noble and humble platform. Because here we also talk about how to make money online, how to do your investments, and at times we talk about tech. Yeah, so today I'm here to talk about a free Bitcoin mining app. A free Bitcoin mining app. Yeah. So you'll be mining your Bitcoin, and we also have some different activities that you can do to earn extra cash. So no time to waste. I'll go straight to my mining app that's called Ember. I will leave the link in my description. So when you click on my description, you'll see the link over there, and you free $3 before you start your mining. So I want to ask to like log inside so that we will see. And note, this platform doesn't drain your battery. You see, most of this mining platform, they will drain your battery and things, but this one is not like that. Yeah, but one thing about this that when you're open, at times it delays, at times too it comes fast. Yeah. So you can check the link in my description. Yeah, check the link in my description. And let me the reason why it's delaying is that I'm mining. Yeah, I'm mining, bro. I need money. So I will be showing you how to do it. Yeah. Yeah. So when you're mining, this is how it is because like it's mining money for you, bro. Yeah. So let me open it again. Yeah, let me open it again. Yeah. So before we will continue our mining app, yeah. So I have a course in my description. Yeah, week I will be releasing a course on the new investment app. Yeah, so when they release the investment app and I check and I see that it's legit and it's making money, I'll bring it to you. So right now I have five legit investment app that you can invest as low as 100 cedis and you'll be earning 45 cedis daily. You'll be earning 45 cedis daily. 45 cedis daily. So when you check in my description, you see, you see, you see a link over there saying that investment course. Yeah, so click on it and it's as low as 30 cedis. Yeah, I'm selling it for 30 cedis for five investment apps. And I've already do much information about it, and I've already done everything that will make you understand everything from scratch. Yeah, so you can check it in my description. It's called investment course. Yeah, investment course is a video that explain all the five investment apps and how you can register and be on it. Yeah, so these apps, when you invest 100 cities, that's more than 100 cedi, that's like 10 USDT, you will earn 4.0 USDT daily. 4.0 USDT daily. Yeah, and you know that when I talk I deliver. So check it out. Yeah, so this how the bitcoin investment bitcoin mining app looks like. Yeah, have you seen that? Right now when I go here, everything that is running here, that means it's what it's mining for me. So right now I have 10 satoshis. Yeah, 10 satoshis. So it will mine for me till the day ends. To mine for me till the day ends. So you only have one day to invest, like to mine. So let's say today when you mine, it will be mining till the day ends. Then you get your money in your wallet. Yeah. So when you're about to register, you only need your Gmail and your password and your PIN to register. Yeah. So when you register and you open the app, you will see something over here. This one to be green, that you have to what? You have to start mining. So when you click on start mining, you see that here will be loading. Yeah, here will be loading. Yeah, here will be loading. Yeah. So after mining it, it will be mining for a day. Have you seen that? I just started this app. Yeah, so it's mining. Yeah. So when the day ends, you'll be getting your money in your wallet. So I'll show you your wallet. Yeah. So we also have different ways of making money. First of all, we have, if you love playing games, you can what? Play game and earn money. Yeah. So let's assume that you have started your mining journey and you love playing games, but right now you are just what? Mining and money, so you don't have any money in your wallet like this. You see, so all you have to do is what? Deposit Bitcoin in your account. Yeah, you can deposit Bitcoin in your account and go to play. So when you play, they play. We have entry fee. We have $45 on over there. We have $1. So when you enter into this tournament, when you win, let me see. Let's see winners. Some people are winning $15, $11 and things. So these are for the game lovers if you love game. But in this case, you don't love game, but all you need is what? Money. So you want to mine. So you can wait for the day to end and you'll be getting your money in your wallet. And the minimum withdrawal is what? $5. The minimum withdrawal you can withdraw is what? $5. Yeah. So every day you can what? Mine on this every day. So you can also invest. So when you have the money and you say, okay, I have money, but I want to invest in, let's say, portfolios. We have coins over there. We have top movers over there. So anything you want to invest and make money, you can invest and make money. Like I can choose that. Okay, I want to invest in, let's say, Binance coins. I want to invest in this. Let's say DEFA. You see that thing. So it's your own thing. Like you can choose to invest in anything you want if you have the money. Yeah, but for us, that we don't want to invest anything. We don't want to deposit any money, but we want to earn money. That one, we will just what? Earning. We just what? Mining our Bitcoin, and at the end of the day, we were earning money. Just mining. And this one thing about this is like if you cut the app and you come back later, it will be still what? Mining. It will continue. Like when you cut the app, you come back later, it still continues. You see that thing? And this one, it doesn't drain any battery. Everything that my battery is still 64. It's not drain your battery. Yeah, so you don't need to, like, if you are stingy like me, you don't need to invest anything, but just wait for it to what? To mine every day. You be getting money. So let's say you can mine for, let's say, 1 month and withdraw your money. See that thing? Yeah, because when this one is mining, like the money is too small. It's too small. So at times it's better for you to what? Choose that. Okay, I want to withdraw monthly. So every day you open the app and you start mining. Every day you open the app, you start mining. Every day you open the app, you start mining. And when the month ends, you withdraw your money. Yeah. But if you want more money, you can choose to what? Invest the money in, let's say, Bitcoin, or let's say USDT, or let's say portfolios, coins, or top movers. You see, so let's say if like on the portfolios, every portfolio have the money you have to invest. Let me go to like Ethereum shaking. This one, I think it's from $100 going. So right now, 1,222 have invested in this portfolio. Yeah, so you can choose to invest in this portfolio. So the minimum deposit is what? 99. The minimum deposit you can do is what? 99. You see that then? Yeah. So every portfolio also have the money you have to what? Deposit, and like at the end of the day, you get your interest from it. You see, when you see this portfolio, you see that like it's making sense. It's going up. Yeah. That is why it's trending, because it's going up. So when you invest in this portfolio, you'll be getting enough money. getting enough money. Yeah, you're getting enough money. Yeah. So if you don't want to invest anything, you just have to what, mine your USDT, your Bitcoin, and wait for the day to end. So let's assume that I started my own around 12:45. Tomorrow by 12:45 a.m. like this, it will end, and I will earn extra cash. You see that thing? So when I earn the extra cash and I feel like I want to invest, I will invest. I feel like I want to join the tournament and earn extra cash too, I'll join. Yeah. So I think this is very nice. Yeah, this is very nice. And this one, you don't need any investment. You don't need any investment. You don't need any investment. All you need is what? Just open the app and click on mine Bitcoin. It will mine for you. You see that thing? It will mine for you. And it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. I love it. It's very nice. It's very nice. Yeah, so I will leave their link in my description. Yeah, I'll leave their link in my description. So you can what? You can register and also enjoy. Because like I just registered and I think I'm enjoying it. Because like right now I have 10 points. So when the day ends, I'll be earning a lot, and I'll what? I'll invest, or I'll wait for a month to reach and I'll withdraw my money. Yeah. So I think I'm done. And as I was saying, if I have dropped a new course for top 5 investment app that you have to invest only 10 USD, and every day you'll be withdrawing 4.0 USD. So I did a reinvestigation about this apps, and this video explain everything that you have to know about this app and how you can register on this app. And every week I'll be bringing you new investment apps. So when they just drop it and they link up to me, then I will do videos about it and drop it as a course, and you have to what, buy it. It's very, like, it's very cheap. 30 Ghana cedis is very cheap. 30 Ghana cedis is very cheap. Yeah, so thank you for watching me, and I'm out.